2014 Ford F-150 Platinum Edition Ford four-door. And as you guys can see, the side exit exhaust, it was MBRP. We took it off because he said it droned like crazy. Anyways, it's got stock manifolds there and there. Then it's got two high-flow 200 cell cats there and there, which is going to give it a big difference in tow. Then it wires into a single. And what we did is we added a new Magnaflow Muffler, 22-inch, because he got sick of the drone, which I don't blame him. Drone sucks. And if you guys don't know what drone is, it's where it sounds like a heavy metal band inside the car at a certain RPM because of the sound decibels, okay? Anyways, that resonated inside the muffler. Mufflers create drone most of the time. What you want to do is put this muffler on it. It's part number 12588 by Magnaflow. It's a single in, dual out if you have a dual system. And then they also make it in a single in, single out system too. There'll be a link for both of them if you guys have a single or a dual setup. We'll have a link for you. It's 22 inches long. And then he had the MBRP system, which is crazy tailpipes that they bent 3 inches, you guys can see, to make them fit out the side with a side exit into 4-inch tips to complete the look. Look at that right there. Tell us what you guys think. Do you like the side exit here or dual exit out the back? Which one looks better? Let me know in the comments. Anyways, there it is. That's what it looks like from the back right there. So we're going to let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. There's that MBRP muffler. And it also had a resonator on it. They took it off. He thought it was going to help. It didn't. So we took them both out. You guys can see the size of this is tiny compared to the new muffler. The new muffler took the whole space of both of these. So it should help it calm down a lot. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Much better. You can tell already. There's sound decibels, guys. Again. Right at 99. 101 when it peaks. Here it is down here. Not bad. 5-0 Ford F-150. A lot cleaner, a lot quieter now. Is it a lot quieter? I didn't hear it before, so I wasn't here. Ford F-150 Platinum. The nice thing about Magnaflow, it's quiet on idle. And remember, guys, it's got high flow cats on it too. Hear it from this side too. Got a nice deep tone to it. Let you guys hear on the inside. He can tell he's already knows the difference. Look at that 5-0 go. Enjoy.